All, welcome back to this tutorial class. Today I am going to teach class 1 chapter number 11 about conjunctions. Children, before learning about conjunctions, let us first recap about nouns, adjectives and adverbs. What is noun? You have already learned in your previous chapter that words which are used to name a person, place, animal, birds or things are called nouns. For example, tree, girl, tiger, peacock, dhemaji, etc. What is adjective? Words which describe nouns are adjective. For example, tall tree, pretty girl, big boy, etc. What are adverbs? Words which tell us how someone does or did an action are called adverbs. For example, they are using form by adding ly to adjectives. He spoke politely. Now, coming to this chapter, conjunction. Okay? What is conjunction? Conjunction is a part of speech that join words and sentences using and, but, or, etc. So, these words like and, but are called conjunction. For example, he is a writer, he is also a teacher. Here, he is a writer and teacher. Here, in these sentences, two common nouns, writer, common noun, teacher, common noun, are joined together by using the conjunction and. Okay, and make a new one single sentence. There are many joining words. Among these, we will learn about two conjunction. Okay, in your chapter, only two conjunction are given. So, we will learn about two conjunction. And but. Children, there are many joining words. Among these, we will learn about these two words and but. The conjunction and can join many kinds of words. We use and to join two nouns. For example, he is a painter, painter is a common noun. He is also a teacher, teacher is also a common noun. He is a painter and teacher. Few minutes ago, already I have said that two common nouns. Painter is a common noun and teacher is also a common noun. Two common nouns join together and form one single sentence. Have you seen? One single sentence by putting the full stop in the end, that means it is a single sentence. By joining the word and. By joining the word and, conjunction and, we are using this common nouns into one single sentence. Point number 2, we use and to join two adjectives. For example, he is clever, he is helpful. He is clever and helpful. Here, in these these two sentences, two adjectives, clever and helpful. Two adjectives join together and form a single sentence by using the conjunction and. By using the conjunction and, we join two sentences into one single sentence. Okay. Point number 3. We use and to join two adverbs. For example, he spoke slowly, he spoke clearly. He spoke slowly and clearly. Here same, slowly is also adverbs, clearly also adverbs. The two adverbs join together by using the word conjunction and make a single sentence. Okay. Have you noticed I am not using the words twice? He. Have you noticed? He. I am not repeating the words 2 times. He is only single time I am repeating. Have you noticed that one? And join, when I join the sentence with the conjunction and. Same here also. This example you see, I did not repeat the words again and again. This he. When I join into single sentence. Same here also, by joining adverbs here also, I have not repeated this word he, this he again, and I am only single one time I have repeated this word he and joining into a single sentence. When we join a single sentence, we are not writing the he 2 times, only to write 2 times. Only if we are writing single time, it is enough to make one single sentence. Okay. We will learn about the second point, the conjunction but. We use the conjunction but for joining ideas or things which are opposite in meanings. For example, it was bright, it was cold. It was bright but cold. Here in this sentence, in these sentences, 2 meanings, bright and cold, are different in meanings. Okay. Bright means shining and cold means low temperature. That is why we are joining the conjunction but here. Okay. Again, one more example. Meena wrote a letter, she did not post it. See the sentence, totally different. Maybe Meena wrote a letter, but she did not post it. Meena wrote a letter but did not post it. She may wrote the letter, she may return the letter but she did not post it. The 2 meanings are different. She wrote, not posted. That means, that is why in this sentence we are using the conjunction but and joining 2 sentences into one single sentence. Okay. Children, in this chapter we have learned the uses of the conjunction and the conjunction and to join 2 similar ideas or things. The conjunction but to join 2 opposite ideas or things. Hope you have understood this chapter well. We will meet soon again. Thank you.